Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farahin. Today I will present with my partner Muhammad Rafi for topic FGV rubber industry Sdn Bhd. Okay, for the background of the company, FGV, or the name is Felda Global Venture, is the one of the world's largest plantation companies, and CPO producer was incorporated in 2007 as a private limited company. FGV officially changed its name to FGV Holding Berhad in June 2018 as at 8 May 2019. Okay. FGV operates in 9 countries across Asia, North America and Europe, and it focuses on 3 main sectors, which is plantation, sugar and logistics. Okay, for the plantation sector, for example, palm upstream, palm downstream, R&D, rubber, allied product and service, and also alright, for the plantation sector, which is palm upstream, palm downstream, R&D, rubber, allied product and service, and also trading. Then logistics sector, which is bulking, logistics and transport, technology and IT, and also travel. Alright, for the sugar sector, which is MSM Prai, MSM Perlis, and MSM Johor. Okay, for the FGV rubber industry Sdn Bhd, or FGV RLSB, was incorporated in 1970 with asset value of $55 million. Alright, the main source of raw rubbers are primarily plantation owned by their parent company, which is FGV Holding Berhad. Okay, FGV RSSB is one of the largest standard Malaysian rubber, or scientific name SMR, and other in-house grade producer in Malaysia with 4 factories throughout Malaysia, 1 latex concrete factory in Thailand, and 1 factory producing standard Indonesian rubber. Alright, currently FGV RSB expanding its operation in Cambodia, and also the sole producer of green rubber named Ecoprena and Puriprena in Malaysia. Okay, FGV RSB also obtained accreditation from major global tire manufacturers for all the existing SMR factories such as Michelin, Continental, Bridgestone, Kumho, Hankook, as well as maintaining a good working relationship with Malaysia Rubber Board. The products are exported to more than 33 countries worldwide. Okay, for the vision of FGV RSB is to be global leader natural rubber processing, offering high quality products and service through good manufacturing and eco-friendly practice by enhancing the mission that uphold quality as its utmost priority in operation and transacting with business associates. They also continuously seek implement and innovate the foremost suitable technology in processing product. They also adopt stringent quality standard translate to a structured, efficient and high performance work culture, and also ensure that environment friendly practice are added to and instilled. Okay, the main operation of FGV RSB is at its headquarters located at level 3, Wisma FGV Kuala Lumpur. Okay, the total strength of 400 people. Rubber operation in Malaysia operate 4 factories in Felda Pasir Besar, Felda Palong 8, Felda Kampung Awar, and Felda Teloi Timur with total capacity 168,000 per year. FGV RSB has expanded its operation outside Malaysia since the mid-90s. For the first joint venture in Thailand. For the second joint venture in Indonesia, and lastly the third joint venture in Cambodia. Alright, for the FGV RSB core product and business, They are produce a various type of products such as standard Malaysian rubber, mixture rubber, latex concrete in Feltex, standard Indonesia rubber, standard Thai rubber constant viscosity, standard Cambodian rubber, and green rubber Ecoprena and Pureprena. For Malaysia, the standard Malaysian rubber scheme was introduced in early 1965, and since then the outlook of the Malaysian rubber industry has been changed. Standard Malaysian rubber is a block rubber made from high quality of natural rubber. The product is high demand from major tire manufacturer. Okay, sometimes unsmoked sheet are also used in blend with the field coagulum grades to improve the quality of SMR. And the necessary to use efficient means of dirt removal and effective blending procedures. Okay, actually there are various types of standard Malaysian rubber in the market such as SMR10, SMR20, SMRCV, SMRL, and SMR5. That match. Alright, there are the picture of the raw material for production of block rubber.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rafi Abdul Hamid. So I will continue for the presentation about the FGV. Okay guys, the importance of the location of the business to support its operation. FGVR ISB has four factory located in Negeri Sembilan, Pahang and Kedah. All of the factories are located nearby its own rubber plantation as a main source of raw material. FGVRISB provide quarters for all workers nearby factory. Some just beside factory and some are together with nearby Felda scheme. The road condition also play important role to ensure cargo, container or any haulage can enter the factory. Okay, factory location also must be accessible for to or from KL and KLIA for HQ staff to go and bring visitor from KLIA. Pothole road also one of the main criteria for customer evaluation, since they don't want anything happen to the product on the road. Okay, the next one is the issue or problem that the company face in running the business. Okay, challenges also determined by SWOT analysis that identify factors that influence the functioning of the organization, providing very useful information in the strategic planning process. Some of objective of SWOT analysis: to make a summary analysis of internal and external factor, the identify key item for the management of the organization. This involves establishing priorities for action, to prepare strategic option, risk and problem to solve. It is through analysis that we can determine the diagnosis of the company, strengthening the positive point, indicating which point should be improved, chance of growth, increasing opportunities, actually, to conduct a sale forecast in agreement with market condition and study the capabilities of the company in general. There are a few issues or challenges that they have to face and also come out with the solution. The first one is issues high processing cost due to low productivity during movement control order MCO by the government of Malaysia, which extend to 9 June 2020. For the solution is stop any accessory or delay any unimportant expenses, renovation, travel, claim, admin and stationery. The number 2, postpone all capex expenditure on purchase of machineries, asset, building, expansion and others. Purpose quick saving initiative on utility, electrical, water over time, and explain company solution to all workers in order to gain their cooperation. Okay, the number 2 of issue. Low shipment to overseas due to customer business closure in MCO period in their countries. Revenue affected and current business in loss. For solution, market penetration. Penetrate non-tire markets such as hoses, engineering parts, pharmaceutical and medical items which relevant and high demand in current situation. Product diversification, offering custom-made block rubber using customer formulation. Offer various type of block rubber to tire and non-tire manufacturer. Okay, the last one is for issue is low stock of raw material due to wintering season and settlers or tappers not working during MCO period. The solution is provide awareness and information to settler on tapping procedure during MCO, SOP to follow and incentive provided by government. Increase import of raw material from neighbor country, Thailand. Increase import block rubber for production or mixture rubber from Southeast Asia countries like Indonesia, Cambodia and Vietnam. Thank you so much from me and my partner to the presentation.